Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Like the video. You need to come to this Metamask Chrome extension. Then you will need to download this Metamask Chrome extension on your laptop. Then once you install this on your laptop, then this place is going to show up and you are going to press this button, get started. After pressing this, if you have time to help MetaMask improve this service, you press I agree. If you don't have time, no thanks. Since we are importing our secret recovery phrase, then you will press import your existing wallet using a secret recover phrase. Press import. Now you need to import this one by one. If you remember, you have 12 phrase to input in this column here. I'm going to just paste my own. Then this is correct. Then you will need to make a new password for your account. I'm just going to input another password for this account. This for the sake of this video, I'm just going to confirm the password. I'm just going to press I agree. I have read and agreed with the terms and conditions. Then I'm going to press import. Congratulations. That's then you press all done. That's how you import your secret recovery phrase on MetaMask. Thank you for your time. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell.